What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have right here the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and this is the unlocked US version. Comes with 128 gigs of storage, and it's the only color that is sold in the US, which is the black. But I want to talk about 3 reasons why you should buy the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. But before I do begin, I'd really like to touch base on the wallpaper that you see in this video for the A53, and I've been creating some wallpapers. I'll be leaving links in the description down below. I want to be creating more wallpapers in the next coming months, so be sure to check them out. Without further delay, let's dive right in. Okay, so number 1 is going to be the screen. Now, the A53, if you look at it, you can definitely see some bezels surrounding the display, but for $449, I can take that. That's really fine. It doesn't really bug me at all. But this has a 6.5-inch Full HD 120 Hz AMOLED display. And Samsung has been bringing down a lot of their flagship features into the A series lineup, and 120 Hz is one of them. It's great to see that high refresh rates are now present in mid-range and lower end devices as well. Even if it's 90 Hz, they're still present. Having a higher refresh rate is definitely a huge plus. Now, this display is a Samsung panel. It gets very bright and it's very vibrant, and it gets up to 800 nits of brightness, which in outdoors, it's very visible. You'll have no issues whatsoever when using the A53 outdoors. It doesn't go up to like 1700 nits like the S22 Ultra or even 1100 nits, but still, it's a really good display to use outdoors. Watching videos, playing games like Call of Duty or PUBG Mobile, it's going to be very, very nice. All right, number two about the Galaxy A53 is going to be the battery. So battery has been awesome. This has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. This has the same battery as the S22 Ultra. And the S22 Ultra is a pretty big phone. This has a smaller display and a less hungry chipset. So what chipset? I believe it's Exynos 1280. Samsung did not officially announce that during their unveiling of the A53, but it looks like it's going to be shipping with the Exynos globally. So it's not Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It's not a very power-hungry chipset, so it's definitely not going to use up a lot of battery. And let me tell you, this right here, this lasts me all day. That's right, this lasts me all day. Obviously, right now it's at 32%, 1157. I didn't charge it, so that's normal, but it's getting me throughout the entire day. My day typically starts at 6 or 7, depending on the time of the month or the time of the year. But 6 to 7 hours of screen on time is what I look for in a phone. If it's 6 to 7 hours or more of screen on time, then this phone has good battery life for me. Now, for charging, it comes with 25-watt wired charging, and you won't get the charger in the box. Look how thin the box is. So you're gonna have to go, if you don't have one, you're gonna have to go and buy one separately. But 25 watts of charging, it's all right. I mean, it's decent, but it's not the fastest. I tried wirelessly charging it. It doesn't have wireless charging. So that's also a bummer. Using wireless charging on my S22 Ultra and switching to this, that was just the one downside I saw, but I can give that out for really good battery life. If you're out on the market looking for a phone that has really good battery life, definitely don't miss out on Galaxy A53. Okay, last reason is going to be the software. That's right, software. So this ships with Android 12. It's the latest Android as of right now. And Samsung does have their custom One UI skin on top. And let me tell you, from past years using Samsung devices, it was really there was a lot of bloatware. It was heavily skinned. It was really annoying. I just wanted to switch to stock Android. But with this One UI, Samsung has really cleaned up a lot of stuff. It has become one of my most favorite Android skins on Android devices. Maybe behind Pixel, the Pixel skin, the Pixel launcher, and all that stuff. But nonetheless, it's still really cleaned up. A lot of people are getting used to it. I actually really like it. It's much more minimal and clean. And that's what I need. That's what I prefer on my device, just being more minimal. But the one thing that I want to really put out there is that Samsung has guaranteed 4 years of software updates. I'm not talking about security updates. I'm talking about software updates. Guys, we're holding on to our phones, and this is just how I see it, but we're holding on to our phones longer than ever because each and every year, there's less and less upgrades. It's more and more incremental upgrades with its successor of each device. So a lot of people are holding on to their devices longer and longer. Therefore, I think we should be pushing out a little bit more software updates. You may disagree with me, but that's okay. Google has kept it at 3 years of software updates, but Samsung, they're putting out 4 years of software updates, not on just their S22 lineup, but also on their A series lineup. That includes the A53 5G. So if you think about it, we're going to be getting Android 13, 14, 15, and Android 16 on the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. This is a $449 device. It's going to be getting more Android upgrades than the Pixel 6 Pro. That's only getting 3 years of Android upgrades. That's a huge plus. So if you do pick this up, do know that your phone is going to last 4 years, and that should be the case with many Android, all of the Android OEMs. Instead of having 3 years, I think 4 years at least should be the minimum. So software is a huge plus on Samsung's side. And that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the YouTube channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.